Welcome. In front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now, unfortunately, this device only takes SIM card, so there will be no SD spot here. But anyway, before we get started, you should grab a SIM ejector, which usually comes provided with the device in the box. And if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. As you can see right here, this little cutout will be a tiny little insert pin right here. So push the pin in, and the tray comes out ever so slightly, as you can see. And once you take it out, you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. Now I'll be using only one of them. Okay, there we go. From there, put it back into the device, and the card should start working right away. And as you can see, there's reception and come on. Ah, there we go, it just popped in. So there we go, that is how you insert your SIM card, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.